starting here to show a very early version of the 8550 combination lock, which was designed to offer a one-time dialing of a combination, and if it was properly run, upon dialing the combination you would turn to 0 and push on the inner spindle, and that would in turn allow the spring-loaded mechanism to function, and that would jump on down like that, and if the numbers were properly aligned and on the combination, the fence would proceed down into the open gateways and be in the unlocked position. You could retract the bolt. If not, then the inner mechanism responded by traveling away from the outer periphery of the wheels, and you would again have to dial the combination completely to try the combination a second time. This was a very excellent idea because it was pretty much what the United States government had been looking for and hoped for, in that a lot of time in between dialings would take place and improved protection offered. Here we are with a later version of the same lock, the 8550, and I'll turn this over so that we can see in this cutaway this version. So this could be set on 50, 25, 50. Let me just try and dial it one time and see if we can actually make this one unlock. There's 50. 25. 50. I'll travel back to 0, press the inner spindle, and turn to the right. And it is not the appropriate combination, and it did not unlock, but it does show the method of dialing to determine whether or not it was would open or unlock the lock. This is a vertical up model of the 8550 series, and again we're going to find one of these that is set on a proper number just to show you function. So we'll turn left 4 times to 50 and proceed back to 0, where we will press the inner spindle and turn to the right for the bolt to retract when the proper combination has been dialed. This lock offers excellent security and is widely used successfully.